So here is something nobody tells you about hair loss. If your scalp is inflamed or dry, your hair can literally stop responding to treatment like Minoxidil or Tretinoin, even if you're using it daily. And that one mistake could be the reason your hair keeps shedding, no matter how expensive your products are. Today, I'm going to be taking you through my real hair wash routine, exactly how I apply my Minoxidil and Tretinoin, and how I'm fighting back against shedding and dryness. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm also new to this process. I started 3 days ago, and I want to document my day-to-day routine of how I apply Minoxidil and Tretinoin, so that you guys can tell me in the next 30 days how my hair looks like. So I decided to also get new oils for my hair. I just need to be intentional about how I take care of the dryness in my hair. What I have there now is shea butter, coconut, and castor oil. In no particular order, I use them just to make sure that my hair does not dry out, because I'm going to be using drying agents, Minoxidil, Tretinoin, and also the shampoo will also be very, very dry. So what I did was to pre-pull my hair first of all, so that with oil, before I go into the process of washing out my hair oil. So I double boiled or double heated my oils by using hot water, and then putting my oils, that's the shea butter, the castor oil, and the coconut oil, overheat, so that it's able to give me, they can all blend in together perfectly. And then when it's hot or when it's cool, when they've all blended, when they've all been mixed up, I now pour into a container, because I also have my other girls and my other children that will also use the hair oils for their own hair. So when it comes to shampooing my hair, I use 2 different kinds of shampoo. The first shampoo I use is the Selsun 2.5%, which is very good for treating things like antifungal and dandruff and stubborn dandruff. And to be honest with you, when you start using Minoxidil and Tretinoin, you're going to have some very stubborn dandruff. The problem with using this is that it's using Selsun is that it's a drying agent. It also dries the hair, and if not properly used, can also cause breakage. So I shampoo my hair twice in a week. I use this Selsun 2.5%, and then on the second wash, I use a moisturizing shampoo. Because if you're going to use it over a long period of time, you need to balance both of them. And the process of application is also different than every other shampoo you use. This is a medicated antifungal dandruff shampoo, so you need to be careful how you apply it. You don't apply to your hair. What I do over time is I section my hair into different parts, and then I shake it, and then I pour it into my hands or into something that I can see, and I take a brush. A toothbrush helps me to be able to focus on the areas that it needs to be applied. I don't want my hair to dry. I've been struggling with a lot of breakage, so I cannot just be anyhow. I can't just wash my hair anyhow. I need to be intentional about where the shampoo should go. And so when you section your hair, make sure that you use a toothbrush and brush your. This is how I have been able to manage the Selsun shampoo, because if you use it for your whole hair, it's really going to break your hair over time. So this is my first application, but then what I do is I also drench my hair with a lot of oils. I drench it so much that my whole body is actually drenched with oils. My hair is drenched with oils because when you're washing the shampoo off, it also makes the hair dry. So this is what helps the hair not to dry out. Now, after today, I'm going to take 3 more days, and over those 3 days, I'm also going to make sure that my hair is also shampooed. It's going to be oiled properly. So on this day, this is my first time using this. It made my hair very, very soft because I used oils. After this, I will knot them and then put it under a shower cap for 5 to 10 minutes before washing out. Remember, this is my first wash. The next wash I'm going to use a moisturizing shampoo and not Selsun. Selsun dries my hair. I'm not going to use it twice a week. I'm going to use it once a week, and I'll counter that with a moisturizing shampoo. And after that also, so this is now where I have to wash my hair. After washing my hair, I also did something else. I conditioned my hair with a moisturizing conditioner. A moisturizing conditioner makes the hair soft. After washing, please make sure you condition your hair so that your hair do not get dry, and you must leave it as long as you can so that your hair becomes hydrated and not dry. So I also made my own conditioner. I made my own moisturizing conditioner. Here in South Africa, conditioners are very expensive. Moisturizing conditioner, I don't know what to put in it, but it doesn't moisturize. And if you get them, they're actually very small and pricey. So I decided to make my own, and I put in the Panthenol. It's a pro vitamin B5, and it's great for hair because it penetrates the hair shaft and it provides deep dehydration, moisture retention, and conditions your hair, making it softer and more elastic. At the end, this was what came out. Not a lot. What I'm trying to avoid is something that looks like this. It's scary. I don't like my hair. When I see something like this, I cry, I pray, I get angry. But with this, I can manage. Actually, if I had this coming up on my hair, I wouldn't be making this video. But because I want to remain accountable and I want to be able to see my hair grow back, I decided, let me be able to have some accountability so that my hair doesn't fall back and I don't fall back. Thanks so much, guys, for all your time. See you tomorrow again with another video on my hair journey. Bye.